Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fulfillment Peter and I am a professional web designer. If this is your first time seeing this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I drop amazing content like this every Wednesdays and Saturday and I don't want you to miss out. So let's dive straight into today's video. Top platforms to create free website. So in today's video I'll be showing us platforms where you can create free website. The platforms are easy to use, they're not hard. I got to know some of these platforms while I was still struggling. I was still starting my web designing journey. I had to use some of this platform to pass our time, to equip myself, to grow myself up, to know more and to get more knowledge about web designing. So there are a lot of platforms like that where you can just create free websites and get to improve yourself in your skill. As a web designer, you can use these platforms to practice, just like I was saying. You can use the platform to practice, build yourself, equip your mind, learn more things, and do other researches as well to help you enhance your craft and become a professional with time. Because the more they say, practice make perfect. So once you keep practicing, you keep learning, you keep equipping yourself, you keep doing what you are doing, you definitely be a professional with time, and you know how much you can start charging as a professional. Okay, so some of the platforms include HubSpot, drag and drop website builder, Wix, WordPress.com, Elementor website builder, Webnode, Jimdo. So I know of Wix and I have used Wix very well. It is easy to use. The websites are drag and drop, so you don't need any coding. These are the list. You can just search them on Google and get to access any of them and start building a website, start learning, start putting yourself to work. WordPress.com is another good platform if you want to learn how to do some little website for yourself, for businesses, and get to learn how to edit very fast. That was where I learned how to edit and position myself very well as a web designer. I used Wix and WordPress. Those were my most used platforms. Okay, so these platforms, there are lots of them, but these are a few ones I have used and I am very sure of. I'm very sure of it. So you can use any of which: Wix, HubSpot, Elementor website builder, Webnode, Jimdo, any of which can use it to start up a website and learn how to design a website for yourself. They're easy, though they will come with an extra domain extension since you are designing it for free. Okay, but it's something to practice with and help yourself build further. This platform can help you build website easily using their already made templates, because all of them have already made templates. They will give you free themes that you just work with, and the themes will also go in line with what you want to design. For example, you want to design um a church website. You'll see a theme for that. And let's say you want to design for a school business, there are already made templates for all of this. However, its features are limited. There are some certain things you can add, there are some certain features you can't edit, like adding the adding some plugins and doing some personal customizations, and also doing some there are some edits they won't accept, some editing pattern they won't accept, and it's just one-way stuff, but it will actually help you develop your skill and help you stick closer to what you have learned and improve you with time. They are very easy to use, but the features are actually limited. They are limited. The most interesting part is you don't need to write any programming language. They are all drag and drop. If you can constantly use those platforms, you can learn a lot as well. As you keep designing a website, you get to a point you don't get to understand. It takes you back to research, you watch video and all of that. You get to know that very stuff. Maybe you haven't heard of it, you haven't learned of it, and that very spot you're going to learn about it. You don't need to code. It's not necessary you have to code. The platforms there are very easy to use. So even without coding, you can use the platforms. Though if you want to still write some HTML, some basic codes like HTML and CSS, you can still use them to write, but not. They are mainly not pro, code sites and all of that. They are just a drag and drop platforms you can use to develop yourself. All right, so you can just check out those platforms: Webnode, Elementor Website Builder, Wix, HubSpot, Drag and Drop, any of which, and start designing websites, start building yourself up, and start getting equipped with what you've learned so far. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Give the video a thumbs up if you love this video, if it was valuable to you. So give the video a thumbs up. So see you next time.